This is before. Let's see what it looks like after. Well, I didn't make it all the way like I wanted to today, but getting the frame built, so I need to put hinges up here and then cut these down and attach them so that it'll come up here and it'll flip down. On this outer edge I'll have hooks or magnets, so all you'll see is this here underneath here, and then I'll have my tortoises or turnout controls underneath here, wiring, all that kind of stuff, and have the white boards as underneath, so you won't see all the wiring and all that. Actually, just one of these is all I'm going to need, but I'm going to save it for another day. I think it's going to look all right. Oh, I have glass. I forgot about those. I have glass. It's pretty thick, but I have a cutter. I'm going to cut them down, and they're going to come up so they'll be so far above this all the way down, and then I'll have my fascia covering it. That way, if I have a derailment up here, it don't hit the floor down here on the 8 foot down. So, all right. Till next time, there you go. The view of the bottom of the yard from where I'm sitting. I've got some fine tuning to do and fascia to put up and stuff, but there's what it looks like when that'll give me access to my wires and all my turnout controls. There's the top of it. There's the bottom. I just got a magnets. I think I'm going to put a couple more magnets on. And this one here, this side needs to be adjusted a little bit. But anyway, kind of gives you an idea of what my mind was thinking about doing. It'll look good when it's finished. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.